and nobody's talking about this except for us over here at the National Real Estate Post. So I had multiple conversations with real estate agents working in Napa and Solano counties. That's kind of where we live. And what they told me should scare 95% of all agents in the country. So 2 days ago now, a dozen or so real estate agents, not their brokers, but agents, were served papers. The agents, again, not the brokers, the agents are all being sued for ADA, Americans with Disability Act violations. Now, why is this? Well, because the blind don't have access to the items, the homes, that they're marketing online. It's very much akin to not having ramps and elevators in a lower level bar area at restaurants for the handicapped. If you don't, and a person with disability frequents your establishment and does not have equal access to everything at that restaurant could and probably will face a lawsuit eventually. Now, when it comes to these real estate agents in question, and after they conferred with a handful of attorneys, here's the consensus. Number one, you better settle because you're not going to win. Number two, it's going to cost these individual agents, yes, individual agents, between $12,000 and $20,000 plus about $3,000 in attorney fees. Yikes, that's real folding money coming out of their pocket. Now, if they were to fight it, they'd probably lose because technically they are in fact in violation of the ADA, and the attorney representing the plaintiffs in these California cases is an attorney from Miami, Florida, all the way across the country, and his settlement ratio is well above 90%. So if these agents fought, the consensus is they'd lose, and then they'd also be on the hook for the plaintiff's attorney fees, as well as a higher punitive amount that they would have to pay if they didn't settle. In short, settling is the only realistic option on the table for these agents, and that's expensive.